Hey everyone, this is John Link at Apache Village RV Center. I'm standing in front of a 2020 Jayco J-Feather X17Z hybrid camper. These are really cool, very lightweight. This is only about 3,300 pounds, has vacuum bonded sidewalls, plywood roof, 3/8 inch tongue and groove, and then a vacuum bonded floor as well to keep that weight down. It has some of the best tires you can possibly get, the nice Goodyear Endurance. 2 beds that fold down. You can see the back one is up, which brings me to my next point. So if you bring this out in cold weather and it's just you're going to deer camp or whatever it might be, you don't have to pop all these down. You can sleep up here, leave this back one up, or if you want the area for storage, you lay it down. You could even leave this up, pop the jackknife couch down right here, sleep there, and use this to sleep in a pit stop at the road, on the road at the Cracker Barrel or Walmart parking lot, rest area, whatever you need. But this is a perfect lightweight camper that's quick and easy to use. Nothing that is this size and weight sleeps as many people as these little hybrid campers like this. So you have 2 people that can sleep there, 2 people that can sleep up in the front. This dinette drops down, makes a bed, and this jackknife couch drops down and makes a bed. And still has all the amenities you need with a refrigerator, a full bathroom, kitchen, everything you need. And then you're getting that beautiful Jayco build quality. These nice modern farmhouse cabinets. Has Dometic air conditioner, stereo with outside speakers, microwave stove, a double sink. It's in outstanding condition. It's ready to go for you and the family. It's a great camper to buy as a first camper, or just to go out and hit the road if you're looking for something light that can potentially sleep more people. But come on by Apache Village RV Center. We would love to earn your business. Thanks for watching.